friends, my name is Dr. Huma Hassan and today I'm going to tell about my mentorship program. In my mentorship program, I help aspirants from the beginning of their journey of UPSC. I tell them how to have an effective timetable, how to set smaller goals and how to make strategies, and I also help them with their NCRTs and what type of subjects they should take, and if they are feeling low, what they need to do in that situation, how to keep themselves motivated. Not only this, in my mentorship program, I give my experts' opinion with respect to their optionals as well, if it is from social science background. And I also explain about how to make interlinkages in your GS course. Also, from the beginning only, I keep intact their performances. I keep proper track that what are the things they need to work on in their personality. So it's like it's a very enriching program. Okay, so we set goals. I set goals with them, and I see their capabilities. I try to enhance their potentials. And then they are being evaluated with their subjects by different expertise. For instance, if they have prepared their history or geography or political science, then they have to go on with a series of test series provided by us in this mentorship program, and after that there is one-to-one sessions on their performances by expertise. And not only this, I also help them to be productive, to be productive, that how to focus and how to have deterministic approach and how to make this journey really relevant and easy also. So this is a complete program in this journey. I would say in this program we do not let our aspirants all alone. So we also guide them about essay writing and also answer writing, because in the preliminary exam we have different sets of approach. We should apply different objectives over there. So preliminary, how to prepare preliminary, how to understand the syllabus, all these are very important in that scenario too. So here we give very, you can say, detailed information that how to go about UPSC syllabus, how to understand them, right? What should be your approach for preliminary, what should be your approach for your mains, and also for your optionals, what should be done for your interview. So in this way, what I would say is that there is some evaluator, there is one mentor, okay, who is not leaving you alone. Okay, so every step of yours is being evaluated and it is being seen from ethic approach, I would say, right? So I can give my opinion that how you are performing, because often it happens that when we are preparing for UPSC, so we believe that we are working hard, we are having one stretch of studies. For example, I often tell different techniques. I often tell my aspirants to use Richard Feynman method, that how to learn things, how to retain things faster. Also, I also tell them about increasing their productivity. For example, they should study for half an hour and they must take only 5 minutes break, and then again they should study and then take 5 more minutes break, and they should continue this way for continuous process for 6 hours. So in this way they take only half an hour break and then they can study productively. So 5.5 hours aspirant can study and only half an hour break they can take. So these are very important points, and also we all know that in UPSC while we prepare, it is just not one easy path. So there is a lot of ups and downs. So whenever aspirants feel that they want to have expert opinions, they want to talk, they want somebody who can tell them, who can again put them on their back track, that is also my expertise. Okay, so in this mentorship program, you are going to get exclusive test series for your GS, for your optionals, and complete guidance from the day one on your personality development. So if you do not, if you think that your English is not that good, or your any language whatsoever you are speaking is not that comprehensive, it's not that good. So again, I intervene that, and then I try to enhance that characteristics too. So in this way, I think this mentorship program is very exclusive, and I have already have a lot many aspirants who are going through this process, and they have given really good feedback. And this is what I believe that I strongly believe that this preparation, it's completely aspirants' achievements. Okay, so they can crack these exams with or without mentor, with or without coaching. But I believe that if you have someone in your steps while you are preparing, so it's like you feel out that okay, there is somebody who can give you proper guidance. In that way, that the journey which takes time, that gets reduced. Okay, so this is what I believe that one of the main objectives of mentorship program, and students are really getting advantages of this program. So thank you so very much about this to have understanding of this mentorship program. Thank you.